In the vast stretches of the Sonora desert where the relentless sun beats down on the rusted remnants of a border wall, there lies an unseen story of technology and tragedy. I'm here to peel back the layers of what's been dubbed the smart border system, a sprawling network of high-tech surveillance that extends far beyond these physical barriers. It's a system that, while intended to secure, often spells disaster for migrants like Elias Alvarado, a young man who dreamed of a better life but perished in its shadow. Advanced technologies, AI surveillance towers, ground sensors, license plate readers, and facial recognition are increasingly dotting the U.S. Mexico border. Both the Biden and Trump administrations have championed these tools in the name of security. But at what cost? As an observer deeply embedded in this issue, I've seen how these technologies not only deter but also dehumanize. From Europe to East Africa, the story repeats. Technologies that were meant to protect us end up perpetuating cycles of criminalization and anti-migrant sentiment. It gets worse. High-risk technologies like AI lie detectors and biometric data collection without consent are being deployed without sufficient oversight, turning desperate human journeys into high-stakes gambles. In 2022, the introduction of robo-dogs by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security marked a dystopian turn in border enforcement. These machines, while technologically impressive, symbolize a chilling indifference to human suffering. Globally, the regulatory response has been tepid. The European Union's AI Act and the UN's AI resolution fall dramatically short of protecting the very lives they claim to safeguard. The lack of robust legal frameworks allows harmful experimentation on vulnerable populations to continue unchecked. And let's talk about the private sector. The same companies that develop these border technologies are profiting from them, prioritizing technological advancements over human-centric solutions. This profit-driven agenda exacerbates the cycle of suffering at our borders. So what can we do? The answer lies in regulation and refocusing. Stronger laws are needed to govern these high-risk technologies, and more importantly, we need to shift our focus back to the human impact of smart borders. By sharing stories like that of Elias and witnessing the human cost of these technologies, we can begin to challenge the dehumanization of migrants and advocate for more compassionate and effective border policies. Together, let's resist this digital dehumanization and push for a future where technology uplifts humanity, not undermines it. Join me in this crucial conversation. Share, discuss, and become a part of the movement for a safer, more humane digital frontier. Remember, technology should serve humanity, not endanger it. Thank you for listening, and let's make a difference together.